Welcome to another repair episode. Today we have the Dell Inspiron 5570 in for a back case replacement and also a LCD replacement. First we need to remove the upper case from the lower case of the laptop and remove the bezel and the LCD screens. We also need to remove the hinge and also the Wi-Fi antenna bands. We also need to be careful with these because they might come apart while trying to remove them. We also need to remove the laptop webcam using a heat gun. Then we need to transfer those over to the new back case. Just pretty much do them in reverse. As you can see, the back case on this one is gray compared to the other one that is black. That's because the black one wasn't available, but the client said it was fine, so we're just using that one instead. This Dell Inspiron 5570 comes equipped with 8 GB of RAM, Intel Core i5 processor, 1 TB of hard drive, and a touch-capable LCD display. These laptops are fully capable for office or for schoolwork environment, and are pretty capable of handling most major tasks. However, they do have a major flaw, which is the hinge coming loose from the back case, either requiring a repair or a complete replacement. Repairs aren't very hard to do because parts for these type of laptops are readily available from most major online suppliers. This has been an RC Electronics repair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share.